To draw a 5 lion. Step 1. Draw a 5. Step 2. Give your 5 some teeth. Step 3. Give your 5 a nose. Step 4. Give your 5 an eye bump. Step 6. Make your lion some squinty eyeballs. Step 7. Give your lion a backward C-shaped ear. Step 8, I think, is where we're at. Give your lion a chin. Step 9. Give your lion a mane. Step 10. Outline his face. Step 11. Give your lion a back. Step 12. Give your lion a tail. Step 13. Let's give him a leg. Step 14. Let's give him a stomach. Step 15. Let's give him another leg. 16. Step 16. His feet are almost completely obscured by his giant, giant mane, but you still should add some details, like 2 little toes. And now you have a 5 lion. You can do a few more details, like give him some more movement in his mane. Cartooning is fun. Or maybe give him a rounder ear. I don't know. You can do whatever you want. He could use some whiskers too. Lions are cute with whiskers. Maybe even make his eye a little squintier. You could come in and give him all sorts of details if you'd like. I think 5 lions are adorable though, and they all just start with the number 5. That is how you draw them. Hey, thanks for watching my video. My name is AGGrG. Please click subscribe if you'd like to see more interesting art videos, and I do a lot of pyrography, which is wood burning, and blacklight art, and ultraviolet art. If you need to know anything, just ask me a question in the comments. I will respond to you and make a new video, if needed, to answer your questions. Whatever you need. Have a great day.